Hey, discover what's new in the spring release of Passware Kit. The Passware team is proud to introduce a new simplified method of decrypting devices with BitLocker TPM protection. Passware Kit now needs a single USB and a few minutes to extract the BitLocker encryption keys. There's also a new option on the Files and Folders section of the Options menu to cache the tried passwords for file types with strong encryption. Saving cached passwords allows Passware Kit to avoid double-checking the same password candidates against a protected item. Starting from this version, Passware Kit supports the IndexedDB storage system for LastPass databases in addition to the former SQLite type. Locate the IndexedDB folder and click Next. Passware Kit displays all detected accounts. Select one or multiple accounts to start the password recovery process. The speed reaches 6,900 passwords per second on a single NVIDIA GPU. Steganos Data Safe versions up to 22.5 are now supported. Specify the vault file, and Passware Kit immediately lists its additional security options. For example, an SXF file with the encryption key saved to a portable device can be used to decrypt the data instantly. For vaults with enabled two-factor authentication, specifying the known TOTP secret key increases password recovery speed for the master password. If an emergency password is set, consider recovering it first due to a faster password recovery speed. Hardware performance for an emergency password is over 464 passwords per second on a single AMD GPU. The latest update also instantly decrypts FileMaker 2025 databases. Finally, enjoy the new icons of the Passware Kit application. Discover even more details about the latest release on our blog. We always welcome feedback and feature requests on how to improve the Passware Kit. Stay tuned.